Right, year six, this is your last video for Wednesday's lesson. Annoyingly, my dad rang me the second the halftime whistle went in the football to talk about the football. So now I'm still watching the football while I record this video. So we're into the second half. It's still 1-0. I'm sure you wanted to know that information. Right, intelligent practice. So you are going to find 1%, please, of these numbers. If you have forgotten how to find 1%, go back and look at the guided work. Divide by 100. Then you're going to use that information to answer these 4 questions. They are linked, look. 700, 700. You've already found 1%. How are you going to make that into 3%? You've already found 1%. Now I'd like 4% of the same number. You've found 1%, now I want 6%. You've found 1%, now I want 2%. Should have the idea. Is there more than one way of working out 6%? Prove it. Give me some ideas. Think back to yesterday's lesson, if that will help you. Well, it should help you. Okay, have a look at this one then. 100% is 2,500. I would like to know, please, 10% of 2,500 and 1% of 2,500. Oh, I think Leeds have scored. I don't know what's happening. Then you need to find 2% of your 2,500. For this 2%, go back to your 1%. Use that to help you. 13%. Look at what you've got already. You've got 10, you've got 1, and you've got 2. Think about those things. I have no idea what's just happened in the football. Like, literally none. Anything could be happening. Right, then we've got 1,000% is 15 kilograms. Can you please find 10% in kilograms? Then 1%, but this time I want your answer in grams. 3%, I want your answer in grams. Grams to kilograms, there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Okay, remember that, year 6, please. 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Then I would like 36%. Use what you've already worked out here. You've already got 10%, so you should be able to get to 30%. You've already got 3%, so think about how you can make that into 6%, connective thinking. Reasoning problem, well, not a problem, sorry, reasoning question. If you can find 1% and 10%, you can find any percentage. Do you agree? Okay, so have a think about that one. I'd like some writing down. I'd like some explanation, maybe some numbers, some examples. Right, final column. Work out the percentages and put them in descending order. Now, we had an issue with this last week when I used ascending. Ascending means going up, smallest to largest. Descending means going down. So this time I would like the highest amount at the top and the smallest amount, the lowest amount at the bottom of your list. So there are 2 tasks here. Work out all the percentages, so jot them down, and then arrange them into descending order, largest to smallest, please. Okay, 25%, famous fraction. Try and remember that one. Why do you divide by 100 to work out 1% of an amount? I would like an explanation, please, as to why we are doing that. Think about your related fraction. Okay, just briefly on the dive deeper, there are 2 things for you to have a look at, okay? So a little word problem here. They are saying 4 children are saying how to find 20% of an amount. So they each say different things. Who do you think has the most efficient method and why? And do you think anyone is actually wrong? Do you think anyone will get the wrong answer if they do what they're saying? So they're trying to find 20%. Are they right? Which is the easiest, most efficient method? Same over here, please. What would be the most efficient method? You don't need to write words here. You can just jot down. So I'll just give you an example. A different example. So let's say we were finding 15%. So my most efficient way would be to divide by 10 to find 10%, then divide by 10, which I've already done really, so I don't need to do it twice, and divide by 2 to find 5%, and then I want to add those together. Okay, that's all you need to jot down. Don't need words for that. Just what calculation would you do? Just try and make your answer clear for us, okay? So you've got 5 little bits to have a go at there. Okay, your answers are on the next 2 sides. If you've got a paper pack or if you're on Purple Mash, please do not cheat. We'll show you working out, work out your answers, then check them. Send us your work on Purple Mash or Class Dojo. We will be checking regularly to see what you've been doing. Okay, I will be back on Thursday for your next set of videos. Have a lovely day.